Hey y'all, it's your girl Tassja. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. For everybody that's come from Twitter, from my tweets going viral, not of me but of other people, and you subscribed, thank you. I appreciate y'all. Share my video to whoever. Share it to your boyfriend, his mama, his ex, your homegirl, her mama, her kin, your stepmama, your real mama, all that. Share my video. Get people to this channel. There's some new hair. I don't know if I like it. Like, I like the color, but I don't know. I don't know. It's something about it that I don't like. It's probably because I didn't put no baby hairs and it's just whatever. But yeah, this is today's look. You know, you clicked here for this look right here, and I'm finna give y'all a tutorial on it. Try to use majority one palette, but it didn't work. I used the Morphe 35M palette, and yeah, so I used majority of this palette, and then I had to touch in a little bit of something, a little something. So I went in with the yellow, just the yellow from the Zulu palette. And then I touched in a little bit, just a little tad bit with the green on the outside corner with the green from the Afrique palette from Juvia's place. Y'all know these mostly the palettes I use anyway. Yeah, if you like this look, stay tuned, keep watching. I don't know why I always stay tuned and keep watching. And yeah. Okay, so to start, I started with this orange shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm placing that on my crease. Now I'm going in with the yellow shade from the Zulu palette from Juvia's place, and I'm blending out the orange. Now I'm going on top of the orange with this burnt orange shade from the Morphe palette and blending all that together. Here I'm just going back in with the yellow to like bring some of that back. I know I just blew on the brush. That's because it was like a lot of excess eyeshadow on it, and I didn't want it to fall. Okay, so I ended up cutting some of the clips out on accident, but I went in my crease with the berry shade, and then I'm gonna blend that out with the orange shade. Now I'm just cutting my crease using a flat brush in the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm cutting it into a wing shape. If you don't know how to cut your crease, just put some concealer on your lid, look up, and then follow that shape. Now I'm finna go in with these two green shades and make like a gradient effect. I'm gonna start with a darker green, and then I'm gonna use the lighter green. On the corner of the wing, I went in with the green shade from the Afrique palette by Juvia's place and blended that into the rest of the lid. Then I took the yellow shade from the Zulu palette that we used earlier and placed that in the middle to give everything more of a gradient effect. Y'all, I apologize for this weird angle, but the eyeliner that I'm putting on is the green eyeliner from the NYX Vivid collection. It looks white on camera. It looks not green in person. It's supposed to be lime green. Yeah. I'm just doing the finishing touches or whatever. The highlighter that I'm using on my brow bone is the Trophy Wife Highlighter by Fenty. Y'all see how the eyeshadow just come together like no filter. And then this lip gloss that I'm putting on is the Huda Beauty lip gloss in the shade Foxy. I got it because it looked like an old school brown lip gloss, you know. And then the highlighter that I ended up putting on my cheeks after I dusted all the excess powder off, because all that is that y'all see the extra on my face is just powder. This highlight right here is Confetti by Fenty Beauty. Okay, so that was it for that look. Again, like I said earlier in the beginning of the video, share this video with whoever, anybody, everybody. Thanks for watching my video, and it's some videos. Hit that subscribe button that's right here. It's a subscribe button right here, and here's some more videos right here, so click those, click that, and you know, peace out.